Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to get a mower started with nothing more than a twist tie from like a loaf of bread. This mower is running rough and will quit intermittently, and it was actually hard to start because it sat for about a year. Now I could do two things. I could either try to fix it myself, which I know how to do, or I could take it to a mower repair shop and spend about 75-80 bucks for them to do something real simple, and I wouldn't have my mower for a week or two while they sat in line waiting for it to get work done. Or I can do it myself. What you're looking at here is the carburetor cup. This is held on by a bolt underneath, and all you have to do is undo that bolt. And I'm not a mechanically inclined guy, but pull that down, and that bolt has a bunch of little holes in it. And you take this bread twisty tie here, strip the wire or strip the plastic or the paper off of it, and just clean out all those little holes. And then you put the cup back on, and it'll fire up and run real well. It'll get all the fuel it needs. If your fuel tank is full, when you take that cup off, it'll drain. But otherwise, you can just use this clip right here and drain it into a glass cup or something, or a metal cup. Not plastic. The gas will melt most plastics. But my fuel's empty, so I'm just going to take this cup off and clean out that little bolt, all the holes in the bolt, with the wire of this twist tie. So that's all you have to do. If your mower is running rough or not running at all, take that bolt off. Can't really see it. You can kind of see it down there. And clean it out, put it back on. Save yourself 100 bucks. And you have your mower back in about 10 minutes. Okay, I took the cup off, and here's the actual bolt in focus. There's the bolt I'm talking about, and there's my little bread tie with the wire. So I'll poke this hole out. You see that little hole on the side? Well, there's a little hole on the base there by that little gasket that I'll have to replace as well. It's probably a 25-cent gasket at the mower shop. I'll just poke that out and reinstall the stuff and see how it works. There's a little hole in the middle too that you want to clean that out. Okay. Nothing cosmic here. You just loosen a bolt on one side, clean it out with your little